Yeah guys, we have a new scenario and today is my first time recording a video here. Well, to be more precise, this is not just a new scenario, this is a whole new apartment. We moved last year. It's been 1 year and a half that we're living here in Finland, and when we moved here, we lived in a very small apartment. I mean, really small. It was quite difficult to record videos in the other apartment and we wanted a bigger space. We always liked receiving friends and having like a bigger space to cook. We love cooking and we kind of missed that in the other apartment. So it was already in our plans to move to a bigger place, and not that this one is enormous, it's just a bit bigger than the other. And it turns out that now I have a room just for me. This place is for me to study, to work, and all my crochet yarn related stuff is here. And I will give you a tour in this place, show you everything. Because at least for me, this is kind of dream come true, you know. Which crocheter doesn't want a room just for them, just for their yarn, just to crochet? I mean, it's amazing. And now it's much better for me in this place because I have proper space to take photos of the step-by-step process of my patterns and take photos of the amigurumi, record the videos, which was one of the biggest struggles I had in the other place. I recorded a small video to show you how it was. And whenever I had to record videos for this channel in the other apartment, it was a bit chaotic. I recorded a small video in the last recording session that I had there because I wanted you to see around the recording area. And it was in the middle of the living room, which was already small, but it was the only place that I had, and I had to move everything. I had to move the table, the dining table, I had to move the couch, I had to move the table that was in the center of the living room, and it took us about 1 hour just to organize the entire living room, to record the videos. And then after recording the videos, it took me 1 hour to put everything in the right place. And that's one of the reasons why every time I record videos for YouTube, I had to record like 4 or 5 videos at once. Otherwise, I would not have the time or the energy to do it. So it was really hard. And especially when we wanted to invite someone to our place, it was like, oh my God, I have to hide the spotlights. I have to hide all these things. And you know, I am living in Finland, and especially during winter season, we don't have that much daylight. So I need artificial light. And not only because of that, I've seen YouTubers living in tropical countries and everyone use artificial light for their settings. And I had to like put these things under the bed. I didn't have a proper space to store them. And of course, I wouldn't leave these things in the middle of the living room. So it was really chaotic, and I'm happy and proud of myself. I managed to release one video every week for the past year, having all this trouble to do it, but I believe that now will be much better for me, and I intend to bring even better content for you as well. And I think that one of the reasons why I'm also happy about having this place is because back in Brazil, I didn't have a place for me like this as well. We had this room, which my husband used to work, and we shared the same desk. It was funny because I was constantly crocheting, like trying not to disturb him while he was coding and doing his software engineer stuff. But he was working and I was like trying not to bother him. The photos were taken in the barbecue area. Well, most of the times I was crocheting either next to him or in the couch because I didn't have a room just for me. And the photos of the amigurumi were taken in the balcony, which had like a barbecue, and it was also the place that I had my clothes to dry. So it was a bit messy and no one knew what was going on behind the scenes again. But the photos were beautiful, but everything going on around was very chaotic. And yeah, that's it. I moved from this place to having a room just for me, just for work, and to bring like good and valuable content for you. which I love. And I think this is amazing. Of course, this place is not permanent. This is a rented space. We don't know how long are we going to stay here, but at least for now, it's good to have this cozy place. And I think I spoke too much already. I want to show you everything that we have. Okay, so let me show you everything. As I said, one of the benefits of having this room is that I can keep my spotlight settled. In the other apartment, I always had to like put everything back in the bag and put them in the closet, and it was not something very handy. So now I have them placed here already. What else can I show you? This cabinet here, it used to be in our older apartment bathroom. And here the bathroom already came with lots of cabinets. We didn't need it. So I took it for me. And now I have lots of amigurumi here. And I love it. I love to have this place. It's not that well organized, I have to be honest, because I had a pegboard in the wall, which is here. I don't know if you can see in the floor. My husband is helping me. But I still have to put the pegboard in the wall. And all the things that are placed in the pegboard are here, and that's why it's messy. What else can I show you? The desk. Talking about the desk. You know that I am doing a master's degree in education. You know I'm a teacher, I love teaching, and I am still doing my master's degree in education. And most of the times, if I'm not working, I am studying, and I study here in this place. And I like to look outside. I see people walking, children going to school early in the morning. I like to have the view. So I think this is the best place for me to put the desk. It took us quite a long time to decide where we were going to place everything here in the room, but I like it that way. And also, if I want to record other types of videos, tutorials, I can simply put the table here in this position and my chair behind it, and continue recording the video from this side to the window. And some videos are better for me to record and placing my hand on the desk while doing it. So I think this is the best setup for it. And this cabinet here, you remember this quite well because it was part of the scenario of all my other videos for the past year. I have a couple of amigurumi here and more yarn. I changed the position of some yarns. Now I keep these ones because these are the ones that I was using for a new Christmas collection. In these boxes here, I do have lots of cotton yarn. Let me show you. It's a bit messy, I have to be honest, but they are separated by colors. So here I have like red, yellow, pink, orange tones. And in the other one, I have blue, greenish, black tones, for example. So I separate them by colors. And I think that's it for this cabinet. And something very special that I didn't tell you is that we have a closet here and there are no clothes in this room. Let me show you. I usually keep the spotlights here so they don't bother me. And ta-da! So just so you know, this already came in the apartment, which was very handy. I loved when I saw it because I keep a couple of plushy chenille yarns here. I cannot open this one because there are some amigurumi, secret amigurumi that I'm working on, and more yarn and accessories here. What else do we have that's interesting? And here I do have more yarn, as I said. There's never enough space for the amount of yarn that we have. I have a couple of accessories that I bought for props for my amigurumi photos, like these houses here to take photos of some Christmas amigurumi. I have lots of books here, books that I received from other amazing designers. My book in German, and also this book here, my Crochet Nativity book. I made a live video here on YouTube to talk about it, and this book is so amazing. It's beautiful. Now that we are close to Christmas season, this is the perfect gift, just so you know. And I think that's it. I have a couple of boxes there with more amigurumi yarn, and that's it. It's amazing to have a place like this to keep everything stored in the right place. And that's it. I really hope you like this room. That will be our home for quite a while now. I'm super excited for the future videos that I will record here, future patterns that I will create, both for the channel and for my community on Patreon, which I love so much, by the way. And that's it. Thank you so much for supporting me, guys. You are the best. I'm really happy with it. I hope you are as happy as I am. And I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye.